Can't wait to get to my next guest on this because Matt Murphy's a former homicide prosecutor and author of The Book of Murder, A Prosecutor's Journey Through Love and Death. Matt, thanks so much for coming on. You know, the footprints outside the house, it bothers me so much because it was snowy in Columbus. And that would have been something that they could actually see, track, and then match to footwear if they could find it in, you know, Dr. McKee's home in Chicago.
Ideally, you're right. But you know what, Ashleigh, there's always mistakes made in cases like this. And every murder case is like a collage of evidence. It's the accumulated weight of everything that they have. And snow is tricky. In Southern California, as you can imagine, we don't get too many of those. I actually learned in a Bigfoot documentary, believe it or not, snow is tricky because when it freezes and melts in consecutive cycles, they tend to grow. And you can imagine what a defense lawyer could do with that. Blood is better. I have done those. I've done socked impressions where somebody's wearing socks and they step in blood. But remember, this is going to be an accumulation. So right now, there's some FBI agent, literally as we speak, pouring through this guy's computer records, cell phone records. They're looking at cell phone towers. Given the distance that he drove, he had to stop for gas, assuming, you know, he's presumed innocent, but assuming they got it right. So there's an avalanche of evidence coming that we have not heard yet. And of course, you're right.
I'm going to talk about that, Matt. In just a second, I'm going to talk to, like, in the next block, I'm literally going to run through all this digital and electronic evidence, but I'm still kind of stuck on the footprints, not maybe just outside, but also inside the house, because there could have been shoe impressions made inside the house as well, maybe on the carpet, maybe in blood, but it's compromised by the people who got there because the police didn't. So I was worried about that, but I'm also thinking about shoe treads. I have seen murder cases where a shoe tread is actually looked at for what's stuck inside the tread. Material from the crime scene. They might have had special gravel put on their back, you know, patio area that suddenly would show up in Chicago if that's the case. You know, are these the kinds of details that police are going after right now, like literally going down to the granular?
Oh, you bet they are. So any shoes that he's got are, I guarantee they're already in police custody. And they're going to be looked at by forensics. And what they're going to look for is what's called GSR, or gunshot residue. Another thing to remember is when somebody has a firearm, he's got quite a jawline, doesn't he, this guy? When somebody has a firearm, it's not like TV where it's just a gun. Guns come along with gun boxes and cleaning equipment and ammunition. And what's really interesting, Ashleigh, is there is a system known as NIBIN. And that's the National Ballistics database, where they take shell casings, assuming it's a semi-automatic handgun. We don't know that yet. But the shell casings that get expended on those, they're like DNA for firearms. And as DNA got all the glory, it's been like the rock star of forensic science. Very quietly, there's been huge forensic advancements in ballistic technology where they microscopically can match the grooves. We just had that in the Ashleigh Buzzard case in California. The tiny little microscopic grooves from the expended empty shell casing that gets ejected from the gun. And that is incredibly persuasive in front of a jury, having done those murder cases before. So it's going to be an accumulation of evidence here, and I can't wait to see what they got.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.